This is a very basic smart room application. It consists of a humidity sensor and a temperature sensor, which is basically a thermal resistor, and two LDRs, and a very, very simple flashlight. Those are the LDRs. Basically what it does is that, when somebody enters a room, the LDR system triggers a signal which is then sent in the form of a tweet to your Twitter account, informing you that somebody has just entered your room or walked out of your room. The temperature sensor basically is, just a temperature sensor, and to measure the temperature of your room, and when the temperature rises above a certain level, it also sends a tweet via the Arduino Ethernet shield to your Twitter account, telling you that the temperature has risen above, that's a certain temperature. So whatever. Here we have, let's test the temperature sensor out first. So basically here is the serial output and our monitor right now. So we're gonna, just stick its head in the lamp. There's no other way to test this. So the temperature is rising right now. Oh, just supposed to be rising. Yes. Rising. Once the temperature has gone above 24 degrees, it basically sends you a tweet telling you that, well, let's see our Twitter account here. Okay. Yes. 25 seconds ago. Looks like okay. Telling you the room temperature now is 25, and the current humidity is 33. So basically, that's the temperature sensor and the humidity sensor working out together. And let's test out the LDR system. So basically it needs time, because there's a delay about 1 minute for the temperature sensor to regain its, sensing powers and start working again, because if you just, set out the delay to be like 40 milliseconds, it's going to keep sending you tweets, and Twitter has a threshold. If you pass that threshold, they're gonna stop your account freeze your account for for 2 hours or something, to prevent you from spamming your timeline. If you send more than 100 tweets per 4 hours during 4 hour period of time span, your account is gonna be frozen for another 4 hours or 2 hours, I don't know. So basically, let's try this. I digress. We just walked out, and we're gonna enter the room again. So basically, it's supposed to be working. Okay. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, let's try it again. Now it's supposed to be working. Okay, that's true. Somebody has just walked out of your room twice. That's physically impossible. Okay. So let's try it again. So here we are again, testing the LDR system. Basically because the flashlight's battery are wearing out, because it's been working all day yesterday and all night, so I had to adjust the threshold of the light sensitivity in the code. So let's see how it works again. Hope it works this time. Basically, there are two LDR systems. The first one, LDR sensors. The LDR, two LDRs. The first one is for the first one on this side is if somebody enters a room, it's gonna monitor if any changes any change happens, like if the light levels drop or something. The second one is for the same thing if somebody walked out of your room, and this is the flashlight. It's really better to have two flashlights because one for the first LDR, then the one for the second one. But my other one just broke. I only have one flashlight, which is really bad. So let's test it out. So I need to have two separate LDRs for this experiment. Okay. Right now I'm going to enter the room. Yep, it just sent a tweet right now. It has just sent a tweet. Oh, sorry. I'm very sorry for this. Let's check our Twitter. Refresh. Somebody has just walked out of your room. Okay. We didn't walk out of our room. With the room, we just entered the room. Okay, let's test this out. It's not really that efficient because of I don't have another flashlight, so let's walk out of the room right now and see what's gonna happen. Let's enter the room. Cool. Hope it works. Really hope it works. Okay. Exactly. We just walked out. I just walked out. I don't know why I'm saying we. Walked out of the room and just entered the room. Like, yeah. Wait, that's not right. Okay. I just entered the room. It just, Okay. Again. Okay, I see. The problem is with my movement. Okay. I just entered the room right now. It's supposed to have two. One walked and out and one entered. Okay, there's two entered right now, which is really bad. Okay, so this is the final test. It's not gonna work, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna kill myself. Okay, so basically, I just walked out, and I'm about to enter again. Exactly. Now, I hope it works. Okay, so here it is. Yep. 9-second walked out and entered. Exactly. Yes. Thank you very much for your time. One other thing, in the interest of full disclosure, these numbers at the end of every tweet represent the code, because Twitter doesn't allow you to have duplicate tweets, back-to-back duplicate tweets. So just, a random number, it's just sent with every tweet to allow us to have a duplicate tweets, duplicate back-to-back tweets, whatever. So, sorry for the and thank you very much for your time.